Hello and welcome. In today's video, I will be discussing three different prompts which center around the difference between structure and process. Prompt number one, if I am a developer looking at your design documentation, why do I need to see both a sitemap and a user flow? What different information does each one give me? Sitemaps serve a variety of functions. The various pages and elements which make up a sitemap serve as reference points. These reference points can be used to identify areas where there are needs for enhancements. The best way to find out which areas of a site are most in need of improvement is to have users, ideally beta testers, attempt to use the site. The journey the users take as they navigate the site is what the user flow is comprised of. The user flow and sitemap can work in tandem to help developers identify areas that need to be fixed, enhanced, or scrapped. A sitemap without a user flow to test the site's functionality can lead to poor first-time experiences for new users. A user flow without a sitemap will make addressing any potential issues more of a challenge as there will be less points of reference. Next prompt. When designing a mobile app, we often talk about broad versus deep hierarchies. Which approach do you generally prefer for mobile navigation and why? Well, I prefer developing based on a broad hierarchy when it comes to mobile development. Generally, I find that the less taps required on the user's part to get to their happy path, the better. There's more wiggle room when developing for non-mobile devices, though, like laptops, for example. And finally, let's say you're designing a sign-up flow. We all know the happy path, the user signs up successfully. List three edge cases or error states that should be included in the user flow diagram to ensure the feature is actually robust. To mention a few edge cases surrounding a sign-up flow, a user could enter the wrong email address. Sending users a verification email following the sign-up might mitigate that. Another issue, a user could enter an invalid email, such as an email without the @ symbol, and the parameters of what the input field accepts could be updated to mitigate that. And lastly, if the internet connection fails before the sign-up is complete, the sign-up page could mention that they will receive a confirmation email, and there can also be a confirmation toast pop-up which verifies that they actually signed up. And if they didn't get the email, they should know something's up. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.